Well, good day, YouTubers, friends, and family from across the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide, and we are on April 23rd, 2019. Welcome to another surviving day on this planet. Welcome to another video for Morning Dew. Just checking out the Pacific Disaster Center around the world, looking at the major disasters. Tropical storm Cyclone Kennith has formed, heading towards Mayotte and Madagascar again. So that's the third cyclone to hit Madagascar in the past 2 months. Also looking at a lot of earthquakes, very deep earthquakes and large earthquakes in the Philippines, as well as winter storm conditions throughout Alaska and northwestern BC. We've still got some cold temperatures heading towards Alberta, Saskatchewan, and straight across the country. In fact, cold temperatures are persisting. We definitely are not feeling spring yet. So, Calgary will be expecting probably 15 to 20 centimeters of snow this coming weekend. And we're going to get into that with the 5-day forecast coming soon. Just looking at the major disasters updated, 6.1 yesterday. That's 6.4 yesterday in the Philippines. Very large earthquake. I haven't seen any reports yet coming out of the Philippines from that earthquake specifically yet. So stay aware and prepared. Download this app and you can stay aware and prepared just like Morning Dew, Daily Events Worldwide. Here's your 5-day forecast brought to you by Meteo Earth and Meteo Mike, showing cold temperatures moving into Alberta and snowstorm moving in towards the end of the week. Look at this. Wow, foothills are looking to see about 45 centimeters of snow. Calgary interior probably get about 15 centimeters. That's right, we are on April 23rd. Now 4 weeks past the first day of spring. And we're expecting a pretty large winter storm, which will be heading straight across Canada, as well as bringing some extreme weather conditions ahead of it throughout the southeastern United States as this system moves up the seaboard, and then will bring more rain and more snow towards the Atlantic provinces, which they do not need. These areas are under extreme flooding conditions, as well as Quebec. You're looking at the track of Tropical Cyclone Kennith, heading straight across Mayotte and into Madagascar. Or sorry, not Madagascar, Zimbabwe. And then also watching in the Indian Ocean, just west of Indonesia, Tropical Cyclone 25 and 26 right here. No names for them yet, but I'm sure they will be coming soon. Now, 3 days ago, I was watching this system. It's going to be a big one. Let's hope that it does not make it to land. Monsoon conditions getting ready to start drenching Indonesia, Philippines. And look at these temperatures. We've still got cool temperatures straight across North America, except for the western side, where there's extreme heat. Well, let's get to earthquakes. This is the last 24 hours for earthquakes. Our largest being in this area yesterday, the 5.5 Port Hardy, BC, as well as a 3.9 in Bandon, Oregon. Deep earthquake today, 5.9, 372 kilometer depth in Fiji. So that's a pretty deep earthquake as well, large and deep. So watch for a larger, shallower earthquake. Just like yesterday after the deep earthquake, we ended up having the 6.4 in Tutubagan, Philippines. And watching the seismicity move north to Alaska, 5.4 in Japan, 4.7 Russia. Had this 4.7 in Oman today and a 4.3 in Iraq. .4 here in Mexico. So stay aware and prepared. This is the last 7 days for earthquakes. There's been numerous deep earthquakes. Looking at these large circles that are hopping off the map, those are how deep the earthquakes were. Many deep earthquakes in our regular region, Fiji, but the earthquakes are starting to get deeper around the rest of the plate. So all I can say is stay aware and prepared, have a plan, and be ready for anything. That's what this channel is all about. Much love to you all. Live life, love life. Stay young and have fun. It's the last 7 days for earthquakes. And again, I want to thank you for watching today, and to all of my new subscribers, welcome to Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide, where I post my severe weather analysis, disaster alerts from around the world, following space weather, world weather, geological events. I'm going to leave you here with shots of our sun, 304 angstroms here. Able to really see all of that plasma and solar energy. 0 sunspots. That large sunspot, CME, is now behind the sun. Small coronal hole wind stream affecting us. Should see an increase in our wind speeds. Thanks for watching today. This has been Mike with Morning Dew. Stay aware and prepared. Stay young and have fun. And get your morning dew. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family across the world.